How do I use Evernote? Are you a teenager juggling school, activities, and social life? If so, you might be wondering how to keep everything organized. Evernote could be the solution you need. Let's go through how to use this handy tool to manage your time and boost your productivity. First, you will need to create a new note. Open the Evernote application and click or tap the button that says New Note. This opens a blank space where you can start writing down your thoughts or tasks. Next, it's important to add content to your note. Make sure to give it a clear title. This will help you find it later. You can type your text, add photos, or even create checklists. Checklists are great for tracking homework assignments, ideas, or reminders. Now let's talk about organizing your notes. Evernote allows you to create notebooks, which are like digital folders. You can have separate notebooks for different subjects like math homework, science projects, or personal goals. This keeps everything grouped together and easy to access. Another useful feature is tags. Tags are keywords you can add to your notes. They help you search and filter your notes quickly. For example, you might tag notes with urgent, test prep, or ideas. This makes finding specific notes a breeze. Speaking of finding notes, Evernote has a search bar. You can type in keywords, and it will show you the relevant notes instantly. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of notes saved. One of the best things about Evernote is that it syncs across devices. This means you can access your notes on your phone, tablet, or computer anytime. So whether you are at home or on the go, your notes are always with you. You can also create checklists and to-do lists inside your notes. This feature helps you keep track of assignments or daily tasks, making it easier to stay organized and focused. If you have important documents or pictures, you can attach them to your notes. This way, you have everything you need in one place for easy reference. For teenagers managing school and extracurricular activities, Evernote can replace multiple paper notebooks and planners. You won't have to worry about losing notes or carrying heavy books. You can organize study materials, plan your day, and keep track of deadlines all in one app. To get started, create notes for your classes and homework. As you become more comfortable, try out features like reminders, web clipping, and sharing notes with friends for group projects. Using Evernote can significantly improve your time management and productivity. It keeps your information organized, accessible, and easy to update. So why not give it a try and see how it can help you manage your busy teenage life?